Alrighty, guys, good afternoon. Happy Sunday to you guys out there. Hope everyone is having an amazing day here for today. We got ourselves a bit of an update here on the severe weather event we are expecting here for today. Yeah, pretty large severe weather event here for today. It's been kind of odd. Okay, so the convective outlook has turned in kind of a really odd shape. The maximum risk we have today is a slight risk, but we got an update coming out in about 28 minutes. We're going to be live for it, and we'll be seeing if they're going to be pulling any upgrades, if they're going to be increasing anything. I will tell you right off the bat, all hazards are possible. They even added a 5% tornado threat today. So we're going to need to watch out for tornadoes, large hail damaging winds. But anyways, let's go ahead and see who is here for today. Let's go and see. We have Mary, we have Prepper. Let's see here. We have Mark, Trent, Rochelle. We have Pilot. Let's see here. Kyle, John. See Gaming Gavin, Bomb Hills Bryant, let's see Buffalo, Anthony, Robin. What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing good. Like I said, glad to have y'all here for today. So, also, in this live stream, we are going to be doing personal forecasts. I'm sure you guys are probably going to be happy about that. Okay, so we're going to be taking personal forecasts, not right now, okay, but here in a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and get through everything. We're going to talk about the outlook. We're going to talk about tornado probabilities, damaging winds, hail, flooding, all that stuff. We'll go over everything first, and then we'll do personal forecasts. Okay? Sound good? All right, well, let's go ahead and jump on into it. We got to start somewhere, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and hop over to today's day one convective outlook. So if you guys live across this dark green color or the yellow, you're at risk for severe weather today. The greatest threat for severe weather today will be across portions here of Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Kentucky. If your state was just listed, you want to listen up today because you are in a pretty big severe weather threat. Now, tornadoes, wow, I just noticed they extended that up towards me. Okay, well, in terms of tornadoes, we do have ourselves actually for Louisville, 2% chance, but the highest probability for tornadoes today will be kind of across south, central, and southern portions of Illinois that we're going to need to watch out for. Make sure if you live across Illinois, once again, central, southern side, a couple tornadoes can't be ruled out, so make sure you guys are watching this. Hail, on the other concern, will be a concern kind of for the same areas here. You know, significant hail, possibly up to 2 inches in diameter or larger, could be possible. Definitely could be possible. So we're going to have to watch out for not only a couple tornadoes, but also some really large hail here as well. Damaging winds, that's kind of the main concern here for today. Obviously, big margin, huge margin of, damaging wind gusts, possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour in magnitude could be possible. So make sure you're preparing for that. But yeah, that's today's convective outlook. Once again, 5% chance for tornadoes, 15% chance for damaging winds, and a 15 whopping significant risk for hail. So that is something that we need to look at. All right, we're going to go ahead and hop over here to the, we're going to hop over here to the flooding outlook, because flooding is also going to be a possibility for today. all the way from basically south central Minnesota here. We got a slight risk for flooding going all the way through Iowa, portions here of Missouri, all the way as far down south as kind of close towards western Nashville. Not quite in Nashville, but it's close. We do have that, flooding threat there. Also, a little itty-bitty little flooding threat all the way down from, like, Prince William County, Virginia, all the way up to basically east central Pennsylvania. That we should probably keep an eye out there for that, okay? So that is, that's going to be a threat for, some flash flooding, some quick ponding of water. Will be a concern across those regions, so just make sure that you are, watching out for those areas as, today's rainfall could allow for some instances of flooding to occur across some of those regions. So just make sure that you guys are watching that, okay? But anyways, yes, so that is essentially what we are talking about. Now, whenever it comes to these models here, the models honestly have been very, I wouldn't say inaccurate, but they've been very unagreeing, or what's that? Very, very, not agreeing with each other, okay? They're not agreeing with each other. Let me go ahead and show you guys what we're talking about here. So here is the NAM 3K, for example. We actually have twin low-pressure systems. We have one located basically between Iowa and South Dakota, and another one across portions here of Indiana. So we got twin lows, so basically two areas of low pressure, one right here, and they are expected to merge into one large low-pressure system over the next several hours. Okay, so we're going to need to watch out for that here. You can see the counterclockwise circulation. We got those twin lows kicking off some storms out there towards Ohio today for this afternoon and evening. And, of course, the big one, this is the one I'm a little concerned about, this back low, the one over Iowa. This one right here is going to likely bring down some some nasty weather for, once again, Illinois, Indiana, once again, likely with that tornado threat to include, like I said, central and southern Illinois. That's where that highest probability for tornadoes will be at. Once again, if you live out there towards central southern Illinois, I believe this includes also Springfield. Yes, Springfield, I believe, is in that 5% chance for tornadoes today. So if you live out there towards Springfield, you might want to watch out for, a couple areas of rotation, being possible today. So a couple spin-up tornadoes can't be ruled out, essentially. But yeah, no, we're just going to need to watch out for that here. Let's go and take a look at the other models. I kind of wanted to talk about some of the ingredients that are in place here for today regarding the NAM model here. So we're going to take a look here first at the fuel, basically the thunderstorm energy. In terms of thunderstorm fuel, we got a decent amount in place here between, obviously, Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky. You can actually see that. Now, this event's actually going to last for quite a while. It's going to happen. It's going to start kicking off this afternoon, evening, and it's going to last well into the nighttime hours tonight. So we're going to have the possibility for a few nocturnal severe weather episodes that could occur tonight. Mostly, I'd say, across Kentucky. Out here kind of towards where I'm at, we're probably going to have a lot of nighttime thunderstorms out here. For areas, obviously, towards, like, Missouri, Illinois, probably going to be more of those evening thunderstorm activity. But in terms of everything popping off here, I mean, like I said, we have a lot of instability, a lot of fuel in the tank here for severe weather today. I mean, we have values here, nearly 3,000, we call joules per kilogram. That's basically how we measure the instability in the atmosphere. And we got a lot of it. We do have a lot of instability that is definitely more than enough that's needed for severe thunderstorms. And another thing that's a little concerning is this lower level jet stream. You can see how after midnight it really amps up across portions of the Ohio Valley, kicking in a lot of strong lower level winds, which obviously could throw out a couple tornadoes. It is possible. It is a possibility that a couple tornadoes, will be possible. Possibly out there towards, Louisville. Actually, honestly, like I said, possibly around probably 2 in the morning. Like I said, a couple nocturnal tornadoes could not be ruled out. Possibly towards obviously Louisville, Kentucky, southern Indiana, those areas there. Should probably keep an eye out there for the possibility of some nighttime tornadoes. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye out there for that. Storm relative helicity, basically how we measure cyclonic updrafts. So basically spinning updraft motion is what we call SRH, storm relative helicity. It's how we measure the intensity, per se. Typically over 200, that'll get the job done, and we have, just that. So helicity's there. We got those lower level rotation really coming in here. So overall, the models are showing a pretty active event here. And like I said, really big threat here for today. Like I said, what I mean by big threat, I mean it covers a lot of areas here. I'm going to go ahead and hop in. We're going to turn off the precipitation outlook here. Here's back at the convective outlook. Here's today's severe weather event. Let's see. Proxy gifting 10 memberships. Thank you so much, Proxy. Hello. Hope you're doing good. Let's see. But thank you, Prox. It's very sweet of you. big shout out goes to you. Thank you so much, Proxy. Thank you. Let's see. Deb says, love your show. Oh, thank you so much. Greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for all the support. Y'all absolutely rock. And if you've not already, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a like. It'll be greatly appreciated. If you leave a like, it'll boost the stream, help get that word out there. Also, consider sharing this. Yeah, if you guys share this too, it'll help spread the word out to people you probably don't even know who's in the severe weather risk today. And like I said, once again, all across this yellow area has got to be on alert for today and tonight. Once again, for Missouri, obviously Illinois. I think Illinois and Indiana, Kentucky is kind of like the main states that's going to be impacted here. So Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee even. Yeah, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and the slight risk, the pretty decent severe weather threat for today. Now, in terms of this tornado threat, once again, we have that 5% area here, kind of just, once again, Springfield, Illinois, not Springfield, Missouri. Springfield, Illinois is under a 5% risk for tornadoes. Like I said, that's obviously the biggest threat we have for today. And the more I look at it, actually St. Louis. Yeah, St. Louis is included here too. Let's go ahead and show y'all. So basically we have ourselves Springfield, we have Decatur, or Decatur, however you want to say that. Let's see, I think it's Decatur. Decatur, we have Springfield, we got Jacksonville, Illinois, we got St. Louis, Missouri, actually, also Eastern St. Louis, which is in Illinois. Let's see, Effingham, we got Mount Vernon included here, so we are talking this. Let's see, Courtney with a $10 super chat. If y'all don't know, that's my girlfriend. Courtney, why are you donating $10 to us? You're just gonna get that right back. Well, thank you, Court. That's very sweet of you. I love you, Court, but seriously, save your money. Save your money, Courtney. I don't need your money. But thank you so much, Court. I'll make sure to give that back to you whenever I go upstairs later. Anyways, let's see here. But yeah, what's up, Scott? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here. But that's where the tornado threat is. The largest tornado threat here, I should say. And like I said, obviously in terms of how far east it goes, it does reach its way out there towards Louisville, Kentucky by tonight. It barely makes it to Cincinnati. As you can see, Cincinnati is mostly out of that small risk for tornadoes, but the 2% chance is on the southwestern quadrant. I mean, it's going to be very unlikely, but it, 100% cannot be ruled out, essentially. And like I said, south of Indianapolis, that's where the risk lies. Indianapolis itself is not really under that tornado risk for today, so that's good news. So we'll just make sure to keep an eye out there for it. Once again, the main areas that this tornado risk is for St. Louis, Springfield, Illinois, and Mount Vernon, all those areas out there towards Illinois. Now, like I said, in terms of whenever it comes to damaging winds, like I said, that's kind of the main broad threat. That's where a lot of people come in the risk here. I mean, as far down south as further south towards Montgomery, Alabama. Even there towards Albany, Georgia, it's kind of like the bottom point where the damaging winds is going to be possible. And as high up north as areas towards Bloomington up there. Once again, St. Louis as well inside that big risk. This also works its way through Cincinnati. But like I said, 5% chance for damaging wind also exists across the brown. Like I said, now, it's not just the yellow that's at the risk for damaging winds. Obviously, it's the highest probability, giving you a 15% chance across the areas here of the yellow. But the brown, that's where the overall threat exists. 5% chance is high up north is even Cleveland, Ohio. So Proxy, got to keep an eye out there for it, as it's going to be possible. So we'll have to be looking out for this. Let's see here, Crystal. Thank you so much for the $3 super chat. Very, very sweet of you. Thank you so much for that. Greatly appreciate it. Like I said, guys, we're going to be going into personal forecasts here in a few moments. I just wanted to get everything out through the way. Let's do hail real quickly, and then we'll do that. Let's see. Oh my gosh, Proxy donated $40 to our Venmo. Proxy, thank you so much. Proxy, we love you. Thank you so much. Everybody give Proxy a big thank you as always. You rock, Proxy. We love you. Thank you so much for the very sweet support. We love you, Prox. Thank you so much. That's very, very sweet of you. Like I said, you don't have to do that. Like I said, donations are, not mandatory. Honestly, they help out, but, the main word is obviously getting the word out there. The main thing is getting the word out there. But thank you guys so much for all the supporters. Y'all rock. We love you guys. Thank you so much. Proxy, huge shout out to you. Thank you so much. All right, so now whenever it comes to the hail probability for today, like I said, we actually have a hatched risk area here for hail. We're talking St. Louis again, Springfield, Illinois, Mount Sterling area. We got to keep an eye out there for this. We have a significant severe hail threat. Now, what that means is that across this area here where we have this black netting going on, that is where we potentially could see some isolated hailstones up to 2 inches in diameter or larger. We're talking way larger than golf ball size hail could possibly happen here today. 15% chance of it happening every 25 miles. Once again, 2 big areas included in this big risk: St. Louis and Springfield, Missouri. Or sorry, Springfield, Illinois, St. Louis, Missouri. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at. Pilot, thank you, dude, for the $2 super chat as well. You guys are just super nice today. You guys are super nice all the time, but my goodness, guys, you all are very sweet. Very, very sweet this afternoon. Thank you guys so much for the support. Y'all rock. We love you guys. Like I said, just make sure y'all are being weather aware today. That's obviously what we got to be doing. Also tomorrow, too. Tomorrow's actually looking a little worse than today. We'll do the same thing tomorrow, what we're doing right now. Probably around noon tomorrow. I'm going to do another update for tomorrow's risk. The reason I can't do much coverage today or tomorrow, or I can't do any coverage today or tomorrow, is because my girlfriend's her second to last day here. You know, I won't be able to see her for a while. So I'm going to try, what I can do. Basically, just I want to inform you. Okay, I want to inform you, but like I said, I also want to spend time with her as I can. But like I said, after she leaves on the 8th, then we'll kick right back into gear. Oh my gosh, Pilot with a $50 donation, dude. Oh my gosh, man. Pilot, dude, thank you. Saying, hey, use the money for something good and everyone stay safe. Pilot, thank you, man. That's so sweet of you. And Pilot, you know what I'm going to use this for? I'm going to use it for a month of subscriptions for my radar softwares. That's going to help us keep renewed. Thank you so much. That's very awesome, Pilot. You rock, man. Thank you. Very, very sweet of you. Thank you so, so much. But like I said, the hail threat extends all the way up to northern Mississippi here as well. It goes all the way through Little Rock, Arkansas. Is high north, kind of towards Cedar Rapids. It's slightly just shy south of Cedar Rapids, out there towards Davenport. That's kind of where this is at, Iowa City region. But like I said, that's where the 5% chance is. It's very low probability, but it's there. Let's see here. Wolf with a 5 as well. Dude, what? You guys, y'all are so sweet. Thank you guys so much. Big shout out goes to y'all today. Thank you. Wow, guys. Y'all are blowing me away. Y'all are blowing me away today. Thank you so much, guys. It's so awesome. Greatly appreciated. All right, you guys. Well, you know what time it is. I'm sure y'all are probably wondering, all right, come on, Andrew. Let's go ahead and get into these personal forecasts. I got you, my friends. If y'all have any zip codes that okay, here's the thing. If you think you're in the severe weather risk today, then post your zip code. If you know you're not in the severe weather risk for today, then hold off on it, okay? Please, because like I said, I want to get to everybody who's at risk today, and everything like that. But like I said, thank you. Once again, thank you guys for supporting. Oh, by the way, but like I said, just make sure that if you're not sure, then you can post it. But like I said, if you know you're not, then maybe hold off there for a little bit. All right, let's see here. First up, we got ourselves Anthony saying, hello, Andrew. How is 72076 looking today in Arkansas? 72076. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at that. 72076 right here across Jacksonville. You're in the marginal risk, that level 1. You're on that severe threat level 1 out of 5 out there towards Little Rock. So, there's a 5% chance you could get severe weather today. No tornadoes is in the forecast, so that's good. No tornadoes today. In terms of damaging winds, you have a 5% chance of seeing damaging winds today up to 60 miles an hour. Same thing for hail, possibly there up to quarter size. You may be slightly larger slightly larger would not be impossible, but like I said, 5% chance for both. Very, very low probability. So keep it on it. It's possible, but it's not really a big threat for today. All right, let's see. I love you says 370. Let's see, 378. Let's see here, 37809. 37809. Cross portions here of Tennessee. What? Proxy with a 75. Whoa. Dude! Oh my gosh! I don't even know what to say. Proxy! Just a teeny bit of help. That's not just a teeny bit of help. That's a big amount of help. Holy cow, Proxy! Wow! Proxy, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so first of all, thank you, Proxy. I love you so much, Proxy. Thank you so much. That is so sweet of you. Like I said, I'm just in shock. Thank you so much, Proxy. That's super nice of you. Whoever's forecast I was doing, you're in a marginal risk today. No tornado threat, damaging winds 5% chance, and hail 0% chance essentially. So your only concern is damaging winds. My goodness, Proxy, thank you. So look out for just some damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, and that is kind of what we're talking about here. Wow. Proxy, thank you so much. That's awesome. Mark says, breathe, Andrew. I'm trying. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Y'all absolutely rock. That is crazy. Thank you so much. All right, let's see. Next up, Gaming Gavin, 43125. Oh my goodness. 43125 across Groveport, Ohio. Another marginal risk here for today. You're out here towards Columbus. Tornado threat is actually less than 2%, so we're not expecting any tornadic activity out there today. In terms of damaging winds, we're talking like I said, a 5% chance. So there's a 5% chance here for, maybe some damaging wind gusts. Could be possible. Once again, it's not really too big of a threat. And in terms of hail, really not expecting much. So it's only just a little itty-bitty wind threat. Little chance for maybe some, gusty winds up to 60 miles an hour locally. And I'd say within, like I said, the way this works is every 25 miles. So for example here, so you're right here, right? If I take this out 25 miles, this is 25-mile radius of you. Okay, so you're right in the middle of it. So there is a whopping 5% chance that damaging winds 60 miles an hour could happen somewhere in this circle. Somewhere in here. Does not mean it'll be right for you. Somewhere in the circle, it says there's a possibility of some damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, giving you an overall probability of 5% of that happening. So you can see how low the probabilities actually are, but it's still a threat. I mean, in theory, it still can happen. It's probably going to happen somewhere today, so just make sure you're watching it. Who knows? If you could be the lucky number to get chosen today, but let's hope not. So anyways, but yeah, just a damaging wind concern here. Let's see. Judy says, thank you, everyone, for your financial help today. Absolutely. Dude, I am blown away, guys. Thank you all so much. Y'all rock. Seriously. Let's see here. Keaton wants me to take a look here at, let's see here, 62839. 62839 for Illinois, Florida. Okay, so you, my friend, are actually in the pretty big risk for today. You're kind of smack dab in the middle. I think you're in that 5% tornado threat, actually. Out here towards near Louisville, Illinois. So you got that 15% chance, or that slight risk for severe weather for today. So in terms of tornado probability, you can actually see you're right there in that 5% region. Damaging winds, 15% chance, and hail, 15% chance, non-significant. So hail should remain around quarter size, maybe slightly larger, but is not expected to go over 2 inches in diameter, essentially. So overall, there is a threat for all hazards today. So yeah, make sure that you are weather aware this afternoon. Make sure that you are definitely watching the severe weather out there. Let's see. Shepherd of Fire. Thank you, dude. Category 1 club member for 7 months. Thanks, man. Saying we appreciate your time. We appreciate your time and to keep us aware. You're very welcome, Shepherd. You are very welcome. Thank you so much. That's very awesome of you. All right, let's see here. Wolfgamer 30265. All right, let's see here. 30265. If I accidentally skip over you guys, it's not intentional. I'm not trying to. All right, so here we go. So Wolfgamer, my friend, you are actually in, we're going to switch y'all back over here. You're actually in the slight risk, that level 2 on a 5 for severe weather today. So make sure you are watching. I am here with the good news to tell you there's no tornado threat down there today, so that's good. Your only concern is actually just damaging wind gusts. Not even hail. No, just, 15% chance for some damaging winds within 25 miles of your location. So it's possible, it's possible you could get some gusty winds out there, within 25 miles, possibility. But, overall, it's looking all right. In terms of tornadoes, not a concern. So that's obviously good news. So just look out for maybe a little bit of a gusty wind concern, but that should be just about it with any storms. Obviously lightning too. With these storms could be possible. So just make sure to watch out for that. All right, let's see here. Next up here, we got Alex, 42101. 42101. Oops, I was not looking at the, 42101. Here we go. Bowling Green, okay, you're not too far from me. Fellow Kentuckian here. All right, I see you. So you, my friend, are in the slight risk, level 2 as well. Your threat, I don't know if you're in a tornado threat or not. I think you're outside of it. Let me double check on this. Let's see, tornado risk. Yep, you're out of it. So that tornado threat's to your north. As you can see, it's slightly, probably about 20 miles or so to your north. Let's see here. I can actually measure it. So that tornado threat starts 15 miles. Okay. 15 miles to your north here is where that tornado threat starts here for today, okay? But yeah, so your main concern's not tornadoes, thankfully. Mostly just damaging wind gusts, 15% chance for damaging winds, and a 5% chance for hail today. So your main concern is just, a couple damaging wind gusts, maybe up to 60 miles an hour. I'd say at absolute worst, 70 miles an hour possible, but like I said, it should range around 60. But that's your concern there. That's all you got to be looking out for is maybe some small hail, maybe some gusty winds, but it's going to be possible. Now, I will tell you this. Kentucky's threat, I'm actually going to bring you all over here. I'm going to start introducing the models, y'all. So let's go ahead and bring out the HRRR here. High resolution rapid refresh model. This will give us an updated view of what possibly could happen. We might have to drop a model, though. Let's go to 12Z. This should be a long run here. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So, according to the model here, it kind of shows things happening, actually relatively early tomorrow morning. It doesn't really show much, but a couple showers towards Nashville, but that's going to be possible environmentally around you. So it's going to be possible to have some of those showers early morning tomorrow. I think it's more of an early morning threat tomorrow for y'all. You can kind of see it has like this big nasty MCS type of ordeal, mesoscale convective system. Big MCS plowing through basically, central, forming over central Illinois, going through east central Illinois, through Indianapolis, maybe around 1 a.m. or so. So we'll definitely need to watch out for that there. But anyways, all right, let's see who is next up on the table here. Let's see here. All right, let's see. Milky wants me to take a look here at 77560. 77560. All right, full portions of Texas. You, my friend, are under no risk for severe weather. Got that? We still got that ridge out there. Still got that little area of high pressure blocking any severe weather activity for you, so you're good. Nothing expected for today. All right, let's see here. Next up, see, reminder, please don't spam. Yes, guys, please don't spam because I'm trying to get to as many people as possible. Nikki wants me to take a look here at 47438. Let's see here, 47438 across Indiana. Okay, so you, my friend, are on the slight risk, level 2 out of 5. I think you have that tornado threat here. Let's see. Okay, 2% chance for tornadoes, 15% chance for damaging winds, and a 5% chance for hail. Monica, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Very sweet of you, Monica. Big shout out goes to you. Everybody, please give Monica a big thank you. That's very sweet of you, Monica. Thank you so much. But yeah, the main concern out here is just damaging wind gusts, 15% chance, 2% chance for tornadoes. I wouldn't worry about a 2% chance. I mean, it's a small risk there for tornadoes. But like I said, a few isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out. Okay, but anyways, that's that. So you stay safe out there and keep on being weather aware. Storms will likely happen this evening for you. All right, let's see. Sean wants me to take a look here at 61071. 61071 for Rock Falls, Illinois. All right, my friend, you are actually in what we call a general thunderstorm threat, or a general thunderstorm threat. General thunderstorm threat. Basically saying that, there's a shot for a couple thunderstorms, but generally they're not expected to be severe. They're not supposed to be damaging in any formal way. They're just going to kind of be, kind of mediocre, normal storms. Nothing damaging or, life-threatening expected. So look out for a few thunderstorms today. It's possible, but, honestly, the odds are not in your favor of you seeing anything severe. So, yeah, less than 5% chance for severe weather out there. All right, let's see here. Midian, thank you so much for the $2 super chat saying, what is 61356 looking like for tornadoes? First of all, thank you so much for helping out. Let's see, 61356, 61356 here. This is across portions of Princeton, Illinois. Gotcha. All right, so you, my friend, are in the marginal level 1 threat. Let's see here. I want to say that threat's south of you. It is. Yep, you can see right there. That tornado threat, you're right here. The tornado threat's to your south. I'd say probably a good 30 miles or so. Let's see here. I'll measure it too. 35. Oh my gosh, I'm always 5 off. I need to adjust my measurements here. But anyways, yeah, no, you're not in the big tornado threat. The only concern you have, man, is just for maybe some gusty winds, maybe some small hail, but mainly just a gusty wind concern. But yeah, that's it. Once again, thank you so much. Greatly appreciate it. All right, let's see here. Next up, let's see. We have Caleb 61610. That's a real easy zip code. 61610. Illinois, you are in the 2% tornado threat, my friend. Look out for a couple isolated tornadoes. Let's see here. Okay, so you're in a slight risk, level 2 out of 5. So you have a 15% chance for damaging winds. Actually, I think a 15% chance for hail, too. So look out for hail, damaging winds. Once again, 15% chance of that happening, and 2% chance for tornadoes. So all hazards, theoretically, could be possible for you. So keep an eye on it. Make sure you're prepared for it. And, but yeah, that's your threat, man. Stay safe out there. All right, I'm going to scroll down the chat. I'm probably going to skip a few, not intentionally. I'm just trying to keep up with the chat here as well. So if I miss it, don't spam it, but you can re-say it over. All right, let's see here. All right, next up we got ourselves. Already did you, Caleb. Let's see here. Flare Weather says, how is 62650? Thanks. You're very welcome. You're very, very welcome. 62650, 62650. You are across Jacksonville, Illinois. Got a lot of people in Illinois here today. I tell you what. Okay, so you, my friend, are in the slight risk. That severe threat, level 2 out of 5. Actually, you, my friend, I think you're actually in the 5% tornado threat today. Yep. So, also, you're in the significant hail threat. So, you're kind of in the zone where the worst of it could happen today. So, yes, you're going to definitely want to watch this one closely. Because, like I said, you have a 15% chance here of having, essentially, like I said, you have a 15% chance here of having significant hail, potentially up to 2 inches in diameter or larger, 15% chance around your area. Tornadoes, 5% chance, and hail, damaging winds, 15% chance as well. So 15, 15, 5. So got to keep an eye out there for it. All right, let's see here. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Next up, let's see, who we just do. All right, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. Robin wants me to take a look here at 44601. 44601. I feel like we already did this one. Oh, no, I'm just used to your zip code. Yeah, no, you're actually in the threat for later tonight. You have a marginal level 1 out of 5 severe weather threat, so it's possible. Good news, no tornadoes. The only threat for you is just gusty winds, up to 60 miles an hour out of some isolated storms here. But yeah, that's it. Just, a few gusty winds. That's all you can really expect out there. So keep an eye on it. All right, let's see here. Bradley says, new to the channel. Well, thank you for subscribing, Bradley. Let's see. Thank you for all you do. You're very welcome. See, thank you for all you do from 38619. I'll look at your area, my friend. 38619. And like I said, guys, if you've not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button, maybe leaving a like here. And like I said, it'll be greatly appreciated. Helps get that word out there, helps spread awareness. That's all we care about here, y'all. Just making sure y'all are being prepared and not being scared. That's obviously the main thing here. Anyways, but for you, my friend, we are talking a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 for severe weather. There is no tornado threat, which is good. You, my friend, have a 15% chance for damaging winds up to 60 miles an hour and a 5% chance for hail up to quarter size being possible for today. So odds are, not really too high, but like I said, keep an eye on it for later on. That is your possibility. Once again, thank you for subscribing. Glad to have these new people here, so it's greatly appreciated. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got Milky. I already did you, Milky. Let's see here. Robin says, thank you, Andrew. You are very welcome. Let's see. The Purple with a $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Purple. It's very sweet of you. Big shout out to you. Everyone give Purple a big thank you. Let's see here. All right, so you said for 61878. All right, let's see here. 61878. Gotcha. All right, so you are in the slight risk, my friend. You got that level 2 out of 5 for today. Tornadoes, I think you might even be out of the 2% chance. Let me double check. It's kind of hard to tell. You're kind of right next to those areas. Okay, so you, my friend, are barely in that tornado threat for today. So like I said, 2% chance, not really anything too big, so nothing to worry about. I wouldn't be absolutely panicking over tornado threat for today. So it's nothing too crazy, just a really itty-bitty small threat. It can't get any lower, essentially. Now, whenever it comes to damaging winds, 15% chance, and hail, there is a 5% chance. So look out, your main concerns, just some damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, giving you a 15% chance probability for that. 5% chance for large hail, up to quarter size, and tornadoes, like I said, once again, itty-bitty little 2% chance. So once again, thank you, Purple. Very sweet of you. Thank you so much for supporting us. All right, let's see here. Twisted wants me to take a look here at 29016. 29016 here. For South Carolina. Gotcha. All right, so you, believe it or not, are in the marginal level 1 threat here for today. So there's a possibility for some severe thunderstorms. The good news, the southeast does not have any form of tornado threat. Today's only tornado threats across the eastern Midwest and the western Ohio Valley. So you're not in any tornado threat for today, which is good. What you got to look out for is just for winds, giving you a 5% chance of looking for some damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour later today. It's possible, but like I said, the odds are very, very low. Nothing too crazy. So you're looking all right. All right, let's see here. Kayla says, can I look at Shelbyville, Indiana, 46176? Let's see here. Let's see, you said 46176? 46176. Yep, 176. 46176. All right, so for Shelbyville, you, my friend, are in the slight risk here for today. Severe threat level 2 out of 5 on the spectrum. Whenever it comes to tornadoes, you're also in one of those areas where I don't know if you're in a tornado threat or not. Let me look. Let me make sure. Oh my gosh, you are the closest. Look at that. You are like, you could walk out of the tornado threat if you wanted to. If you don't feel comfortable, just walk out to the walk away. Go to your north, and you'll be out of it within like 3 footsteps. But anyways, no, very low probability. I ain't concerned much about tornadoes for you. I mean, like I said, the threat is somewhat there. It's a very low probability. Am I worried about it for you? Probably not. I mean, the odds are extremely low. You would have to be very unlucky, extremely unlucky to have a tornado over you. In terms of damaging winds, though, 15% chance, and in terms of hail, 5% chance. So look out for main concern just being some, possibility here. Like I said, the possibility there for, just some damaging wind gusts, maybe up to 60 miles an hour, seems to be possible. Yeah, that's kind of what the threat is looking like out there. So overall, that is what we're looking at. All right, let's see here. Next up, Kyla says, thank you so much. No problem. Let's see. Oh, gosh. I can't say your name. Again, one of my moderators, I have a very hard time pronouncing her name. Okay. All right, Kai. I have to resort to Kai. That was the name we came to an agreement on. Kai wants me to take a look here at 47302. 47302. This is across Muncie, Indiana. Let's see here. Marginal level 1 out of 5 severe threat today, which, kind of bare minimum. No tornado threat, thankfully. Let's see, 5% chance for damaging winds, and I think you might be out of the hail threat. So I just look out for some damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. 5% chance of it happening within 25 miles of your location. Very, very low probability. That is kind of what we're looking at. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, let's see here. That is what we are looking at. Next up here, let's see. Tori with a $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Tori. Says, can I please check on 62902? And thank you for everything you do. Tori, you are very welcome. And thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Everybody give Tori a big thank you. Thank you so much, Tori. Let's see, 62902. All right, for Carbondale, Illinois, you are in the, I almost said enhanced. You're in the slight risk, level 2 out of 5 for today. You're in southern Illinois. Okay, so I think, let's see, are you in that 2% tornado threat? I think you are. Yes, you're in that 2% chance for tornadoes, so your odds of tornadoes are fairly low today. So it's, like I said, you have to be extremely unlucky to have a tornado. 15% chance for damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, and hail is a 15% chance as well. So look out for, small possibility here. I mean, like I said, the odds are pretty low. Within 25 miles, 15% chance for hail up to quarter size, 15% chance for damaging winds up to 60. I'd say at absolute worst today, 70 mile an hour wind gusts can't be ruled out. I'd say it's possible. But anyways, that's that. That is that. Once again, Tori, thank you so much. Greatly appreciated. You absolutely rock. Thank you so much. All right, let's see here. All right, Console wants me to take a look here at 63376. 63376 here. Let's go and take a look at this for St. Peters, Missouri here. All right, you, my friend, okay, so you're actually in the significant hail threat here. You're out there towards St. Louis. So what that means is that you have a 15% chance of seeing hail up to 2 inches in diameter or potentially larger. So pretty good chance for some large hail today. Also, unfortunately, you're in the 5% chance for tornadoes. Still, it's a very low threat. It's not any outbreak or anything. No tornado outbreak or anything like that. Like I said, that's basically what we're looking at. So look out for 5% chance for tornadoes, 15% chance for hail 2 inches in diameter or larger. That's kind of your main threat or main concern. And 15% chance for damaging wind gusts. That's that. Let's see here. Jay, thank you so much for the $2 super chat. Everybody give Jay a big thank you, saying thank you for what you do. You are very welcome, Jay. Thank you so much for helping out. Very, very sweet of you. All right, let's see here. Next up here, Andrew. fellow Andrew, that's my name too. Fellow Andrew wants me to take a look here at 73448. 73448. I got you, fellow Andrew. Okay, so you know what, my friend? I think you're not in the risk today at all. Let me double check on you. Nope, you're not. You're good. Not expecting any severe thunderstorm activity here for today. You, my friend, are looking mighty fine. Looking all right. And like I said, once again, guys, if you've not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button, leaving a like. It would be greatly appreciated, y'all. Like I said, thank y'all for being here. Y'all absolutely rock. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got Ark. Wants me to take a look here at 38375. 38375 across portions here of Tennessee. All right. So you, my friend, are in the slight risk, severe threat level 2 out of 5, my friend. You are on the southwestern side of Tennessee. No threat for tornadoes today. That's good news. Don't got to worry about no naders today. Damaging winds, you have a 15% chance for damaging wind gusts, so possibly up to 60 miles an hour could occur. And in terms of hail, 5% chance, itty-bitty little threat for hail. So your main concern is just a few gusts up to 60 miles an hour. 15% chance within 25 miles of you is possible. So stay safe out there, be weather aware, and just keep it on the radar. That's what you got to do here. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves James Jackson. Let's take a look here at 42071. 42071. You, my friend, are across Kentucky. Fellow Kentuckian here. All right. All right, so we got a slight risk, severe threat level 2 out of 5 out here, my friend. So you are in the risk here for today. Tornadoes, I think you're just to the south. Yeah, we are not, like I said, we are not seeing any tornado threat for you today. That's good news. Now, I will say damaging winds, 15% chance. You got to look out there for that. In terms of hail, 5% chance. So basically, 15% chance for damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour within 25 miles. And there is a 5% chance for hail up to quarter size within 25 miles as well. So the odds are fairly low, my friends. They are fairly low. So you, my friend, are looking, like I said, looks like you got to be looking out for some damaging wind gusts. That's kind of your concern here. All right, let's see here. All right, next up, we got ourselves here. Trent wants me to take a look here at 47665. 47665. You, my friend, are across Indiana. You got that slight risk territory, my friend. So tornado threat, 2% chance. You know, like I said, it's nothing to freak out about. That 2% tornado threat's not anything too crazy. It's just saying that the environment, I mean, basically just to cover the National Weather Service's backs if a tornado does happen, the odds are fairly low. I mean, they're not expected. We're not expecting any tornadoes. The odds are extremely low. So the chances of you seeing the tornadoes out there is very, very low. But like I said, 2% chance, it's hardly anything. Now, in terms of damaging winds here, got ourselves a 15% chance. Got to keep an eye out there for that. That's kind of your main concern. And in terms of hail, 5% chance. So just got to keep an eye out there for, you know, those damaging wind gusts, 15% chance up to 60 mile an hour wind gusts could be possible. And like I said, itty bitty little 2% tornado threat. Nothing too crazy. All right, well, stay safe out there, my friend. All right, let's see here. Next up, William. Can I take a look here at 65240? Let's see here, 65240 for Missouri. You are in the marginal, my friend, level 1 out of 5. So the odds for you is fairly low. Tornado threat, I believe you are not in the risk for tornadoes. Let me double check on that, though, just to be safe. You are, but barely. Yeah, I was saying the same thing for someone else. You could literally just walk to the west for like 10 minutes, and you'll probably be outside of that 2% risk. So if you don't feel comfortable about that 2%, which is hardly anything at all, basically, yeah, walk west for 10 minutes and you'll be good. Let's see, damaging winds, 5% chance. I think that's kind of your main concern here. And in terms of hail, 5% chance as well. So just look out for maybe some small hail up to quarter size, maybe some damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, 5% chance. Odds are low, not really in your favor, but, you know, in theory, it could happen. All right. All right, let's see. Oh, did they update the risk here? Let's see. I know the new convective outlook. When was it supposed to come out here? I think it was supposed to come out at 1630. It's 1644. I don't think they updated it yet. Yeah, we're supposed to get a new convective outlook here like any minute now. Okay, well, we'll wait until that pops up here. All right, let's see here. Can I look at Bluffton? I'm scared for tornadoes. Can you give me a zip code on that? I can pull up zip codes quick and easy. Plus, I'm not sure if there's any other Blufftons than the one you're looking for. So, throw down a zip code and I'll let you know. Let's see here. SBC's taking 2,000 years update. I see that. Really interesting. All right, let's see here. Isn't the percentage chances, let's see here. Isn't the percent chances based off of 25 miles of a point? Yes. So basically, within 25-mile perimeter around you, there's a given percentage of that threat happening. So, for example, if you have a 2% tornado threat within 25 miles, there's a 2% chance a tornado could happen somewhere in that 25-mile box. It doesn't mean it's going to be over you. It just means it's somewhere in that box. So the odds are very low. Odds are very, very low. All right, let's see. Leon wants to take a look here at 08611. All right, let's see here. 08611. This is across portions of New Jersey. Okay, so tomorrow's your day. I will briefly show tomorrow's threat because we have an enhanced risk, but you got a slight risk tomorrow. Got to keep an eye out there for it. But yeah, tomorrow's a big day for basically North Georgia, portions of northwestern South Carolina, western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, a lot of Virginia here. Same thing for central, eastern, West Virginia, Maryland, and South Central Pennsylvania. Got to really be looking out for tomorrow. Once again, whenever tomorrow comes around, 12 o'clock noon Eastern, we'll be doing another one of these type of live streams here to get you all prepared for tomorrow's event. Unfortunately, I can't do coverage today because, like I said, I'm spending time with my girlfriend, and she's going to be gone here in a couple days, so I won't be able to see her for a while. But I am just going live here before the event just to make sure y'all are still being prepared, still aware of the situation. That's what we care about here. Just making sure that y'all are staying up to date. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. And like I said, y'all, once again, guys, if you've not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Like I said, it'd be greatly appreciated, and please leave a like, y'all. Thank you so much for being here. Like I said, that's the best thing y'all can do for support is leaving a like and subscribing. It's greatly appreciated. All right, let's see here. Next up here, we got ourselves Hathaway. Once we take a look here at 63401. Let's see here, 63401. Let's see for areas here of Missouri. Okay, so you, my friend, are in the slight risk, severe threat level 2 out of 5. So got to keep it out there for the weather for today. Let's see what those threats are. So 2% chance for tornadoes. Like I was explaining, it's a very low probability. It's nothing to really freak out about. 2% chance of tornadoes happening is very, very low. Damaging winds, though. Damaging winds, we got ourselves a 15% chance. Got to look out for some damaging wind gusts, potentially up to 60 miles an hour. At absolute worst, 70-mile-an-hour winds could be possible. So that is kind of what we are saying here. Now, whenever it comes to, let's see, hail, got a 15% chance as well. So you have an equal probability between hail and damaging winds, 15% chance of happening within 25 miles of your location. So keep an eye out there for that. It's possible. But overall, yeah, so be weather aware today. It's going to be possible this afternoon and evening. You're going to get some severe storms with all hazards theoretically being possible. So stay safe out there, my friend. And like I said, make sure you are prepared for it. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Somebody is trying to get my attention. Who is that said that? I guess the comment got removed. I don't know. I don't see it no more. All right, let's see here. Big Allen's supposed to take a look here at 44677. 44677 for areas of Smithville, Ohio. You, my friend, are in the marginal level 1 threat, so you don't really have anything too crazy. Nothing, no big threats for today. So your odds are fairly low. Oh, they just updated it. It doesn't look like they changed much based off the photo, but there you go. There's that slight risk, kind of the same ordeal here. We'll look at that here in a minute. But for you, my friend, whenever it comes to it, no tornadoes. Yeah, the threat for tornadoes in Ohio today is none. We're not expecting any tornadoes in Ohio today, which is good. The only areas where a few tornadoes is possible today is western Kentucky, central southern Indiana, central southern Illinois, eastern portions of Missouri, and a small sliver of southeastern Iowa. Now, the greatest probability of seeing tornadoes will be across central, south central portions here of Illinois. That's that. All right, let's see here. Kai wants me to take a look here at 72404. Let's see here. 72404 for Arkansas. You are in the marginal level 1 threat for today. Make sure that you are keeping an eye on the weather for today, as you do have a small threat for today. Good news, no tornado threat for Arkansas today. Your only concern here is just for actually damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, giving you a 5% chance for that. Same thing for hail, 5% chance for hail up to quarter size possible. But other than that, like I said, small itty-bitty chance. The odds of you getting hit by anything severe is still fairly low. So just, keep it on the radar from time to time today. But like I said, honestly, in terms of, like widespread activity, the odds of you getting anything severe is fairly low. So 5% chance is pretty low threat. But once again, no threat for Arkansas for tornadoes. Anyway, or no threat for tornadoes in Arkansas, I should say, for today. So that's good news. All right, let's see here. Sean wants me to take a look here at 62926. All right, 62926. Let me double check on that. 62926. Okay. For Illinois, you, my friend, are in the level 2. You are in the slight risk, my friend. Tornado probability, 5% chance. Or sorry, 2% chance. In terms of damaging winds, 15% chance. Hail, actually, you're right on that line between the 15 and the 5. Let's see. Let me settle this. Where are you at in terms of hail here? You, my friend, are on the level, the 5% chance for hail. So, your main concern is just some damaging wind gusts and maybe some small, 2% chance for a spin-up tornado to occur, but the odds are very, very low. Odds are very low. All right, let's see here. But that's for you, my friend. Brian wants me to take a look here at 21635. Let's see here. 21635 for portions here of Maryland. Okay. Okay, so tomorrow's your day. Once again, I'm not really showing day 2 too much right now. We'll focus on that tomorrow. But you got a slight risk tomorrow. Got to keep an eye on the weather for tomorrow, so pay attention to that as, we'll need to watch out for tomorrow's severe weather as well. Tomorrow has a level 3 risk, so as of now, tomorrow has a pretty gnarly risk out there. Let's go ahead and hop over to the Storm Prediction Center. I wonder if they updated the graphic yet. Let's see here. Looks like they kept everything the same to me. Yep, looks like everything is the exact same as it was. 5% tornado threat, 15% wind threat, and a 15% significant hail threat. Yep, everything's the same there. So they didn't change anything on that new outlook they just came out with. So for the people who's wondering, I don't think it'll go enhanced today. If it was going to go enhanced, they would have probably done it now, which they did not do. Maybe tonight's update. I mean, you never know. Anyways, but yeah, we'll just we'll keep an eye on it. So like I said, make sure y'all are remaining weather aware out there, y'all, because once again, today, regardless of an enhanced risk or not, it's still a pretty good threat for severe weather out there. Let's see here. Wasn't even updated, says Finn. Huh, that's interesting. All right, let's see here. Raul wants me to take a look here at 46181. I'm sorry, asking, been going hard on the zips. No problem. No, you're good, man. Let's see here. 46181. 46181. I'm doing this just to make sure y'all are staying prepared. You, my friend, are in the slight risk south of Indianapolis here. Tornado threat is, I think you are in the 2% chance. Yep, 2% chance for tornadoes. Very low odds. Let's see here. 15% chance for damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, and hail, 5% chance. So your main concern is just, 15% chance of seeing some damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. And in terms of hail, it's at 5% chance. Fairly low odds for hail, but your main concern is, the greatest probability you'll see is damaging wind gusts up to 60 being a possibility here. Okay, that's a lot. I have a lot of talking, y'all. Woo! Okay, guys, please leave a like, hit that subscribe button for me for doing all these forecasts. My goodness, it is tiring talking this fast, getting through I'm zipping through them. I probably did at least like 50 of these, I would say. All right, let's go ahead and continue. All right, next up we have RMZ. Once we take a look here at 46714. 46714. You, my friend, are across Bluffton, Indiana with a general thunderstorm threat. Just a shot for maybe a couple thunderstorms, but not expected to be severe. So things are looking all right for you. Let's see here. Cucks wants me to take a look here at, 42303. 42303 for Owensboro, fellow Kentuckian here. We got ourselves a, let's see here. We got ourselves a slight risk in effect here. Let's see, 2% chance for tornadoes. Let's see here. Damaging winds, 15% chance, and hail, 5% chance. So keep an eye out there for it, as it's going to be a possibility. Keep an eye on it. All right, let's see here. Next up, we have Blue Moon. Once we take a look here at 76117. 76117 for Texas. No threat for Texas. We still got that ridge out there, that area of high pressure. So things are looking, relatively okay out there. No threat for severe weather for today. That's good news. Let's see. I think Proxy's now the 2% chance there today. Did they update it finally? Was that not the official update? Let's see. Oh, shoot. They did. Okay, so they kept the threat, but they added a 2% tor. Hey, Proxy, are you still here? I'm glad you mentioned that, TRG, because I would have probably not have seen it yet. Yeah, look at this. 2% tornado threat up there towards Cleveland, Ohio now. Also for, I believe that's Detroit, too. Yeah, Detroit, Michigan, in a 2% chance. Ooh, okay, Proxy, if you're still here, heads up. Small chance, nothing to worry about, really, but like I said, just letting you know, they did add a little tornado threat today. All right, let's see here. Who is next on the list? Let's go ahead and hop over to, back to the area here. All right. Let's see. Okay, Megan wants me to take a look here at 62704. Let's see here. 62704. This is across portions here of Springfield, Illinois. You have a slight risk, my friend, a severe threat level 2 out of 5. Now, you are in the big risk for today, okay? Keep an eye out there for it, okay? There is a 5% chance for tornadoes, a 15 significant threat for damaging, or sorry, 15 significant threat for hail. So there's a 15% chance of having hail up to 2 inches in diameter or larger. Damaging winds, 15% chance, still normal threat. And in terms of tornadoes, 5% chance. So you gotta look out for damaging winds, tornadoes, and large hail for today. Gotta keep an eye out there for it. Anyways, but that is that. Let's see here. Proxy, good, you're still here. So, okay, that's good. I'm glad to see that you are staying prepared for that. Because I was just worried that you left, Proxy. I was like, gonna be like, oh no, you're in that risk. Okay, next up, let's see. Cody wants me to take a look here at 25405. Let's see, 25405 for West Virginia. Let's see here. You got yourself a marginal level 1 threat here for today. So the odds are very low for you for severe weather. No tornado threat. 5% chance for damaging winds and a 0% chance for hail. The only concern you have is just a 5% chance for, damaging winds. That's kind of your only concern, up to 60 miles an hour. Now, tomorrow's the big day for you. Make sure that you keep an eye out there for it. All right, let's see here. Grifter says, new to the channel. Well, thank you for joining, Grifter. Thank you for joining us, and glad to have you here. Thank you so much. All right. Cody wants me to take a look here at 25405. Let's see, 25405 for West Virginia. Isn't that what we just looked at? Yeah, it is. Never mind, we're good. All right, let's see here. Your local Roblox team wants me to take a look here. 670. That's a real easy one. 670. You or my friend are across Illinois. You got yourself a itty-bitty general thunderstorm threat. So there's a shot for a couple thunderstorms, but they're not expected to be damaging or severe today. So odds are very low for any type of severe weather today. So you are looking good, my friend. All right, let's see here. I can't look at Romania because my program doesn't go out there, unfortunately. So I'm sorry. Finn wants me to take a look here at 63028. Let's see here. 63028 for Missouri. You, my friend, are in the level 2 for the risk out there. So you have a 2% chance for tornadoes, a 15% chance for damaging wind gusts up to 60, and a 15% chance for hail up to quarter size. Impossible. But that is that. That is essentially what we're looking at. All right, let's see here. Proxy says, I have all the essential items packed and ready if I need to go to my safe spot basement. Thanks for looking out, Andrew. You're very welcome, Proxy. Very, very welcome. Very, very welcome. Let's see. Casey, is it Casey, I think? Wants me to take a look here at 45034. Let's see here. 45034. 45034 for Ohio. Okay, you, my friend, are in the level 2 threat for today. Let's see. Wait. Yeah, you are. You're in the level 2 threat for today. No chance for tornadoes. That's good. Your main concern here is just damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. 15% chance for that. In terms of hail, 5% chance for hail. So odds are very low for hail. Just damaging wind gusts seems to be the main concern here. So we'll make sure to keep an eye out there for that. In terms of damaging winds, that's kind of the main concern. But yeah, that's that. But thank you, Casey. Or Casey, I think that is Casey, if I'm not mistaken. It's also saying great job. Thank you so much. Coffee says, hello there. Member for 1 month Category 1 Hurricane. Thank you, Coffee. Say hello there. Well, hello there to you as well, Coffee. Thank you so much. All right, let's see here. James wants me to take a look here at 45215. 45215 for, let's see, Lockhand, Ohio. Near Cincinnati. Okay, so this is in the slight risk, my friend. There is a 0% chance for tornadoes, or less than 2% chance. No tornadoes expected. Damaging winds, 15% chance for 60 mile an hour wind gusts possible. Let's see here. In terms of hail, 5% chance for hail up to quarter size. So main concern is out there for damaging wind gusts being possible. But yeah, that's that. All right, let's see here. Ice Cream wants me to take a look here at 35630. No problem. 35630. You, my friend, are in Florence, Alabama. You got a slight risk, my friend, level 2 out of 5. No tornadoes. See, damaging winds, 15% chance here, and hail, 5% chance. So you are barely in that. You're barely in the hail chance. So there's only a 15% chance of seeing damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. So that's kind of your main concern. So that is something to look out for. I have to catch my breath, y'all. That is... Dude, I'm talking on rapid fire here, y'all. Woo, that'll win ya. All right. Okay, let's see. All right, next up, Jaden 45005. 45005 for Ohio Franklin. Same thing for you, my friend. 15% chance for damaging winds, 0% chance for tornadoes, 5% chance for hail. That is your concern. So keep an eye on it. All right, let's see here. Dylan 47804. 47804 for Indiana. You, my friend, are in the slight risk level 2 out of 5 for today. 2% chance for tornadoes, so itty bitty chances. Let's see here. 15% chance for damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, so that's what you got to really look out for. Hail, 5% chance. So just look out for some of those gusty winds, potentially up to 60 mile an hour winds. But yeah, that is kind of what we're seeing here. Absolutely. All right, let's see here. But yeah, that is that. Roblox already did yours. Let's see here. Xander wants me to take a look here at 11123. 23. This is for South Korea and Sweden. Like I said, I can't do anything out of the United States here, unfortunately, because my Storm Prediction Center does not exist outside the United States. All right, let's see here. Rebecca wants me to take a look here at 46901. Let's see, 46901 for Indiana. You, my friend, have a level 1 out of 5 for today. You're in a marginal level 1 threat. No chance for tornadoes, which is good. 5% chance for damaging winds, and I believe you're in a 5% chance for hail, too. Look out for some hail up to quarter size, damaging winds up to 60 mile an hour, but that's about it, my friends. That's about all you're looking at. Not really any big concerns for you, but things are looking okay. Okay, let's see here. Strictly averaging, once we take a look here at 49013. 49013 for Michigan. No threat, just a little thunderstorm threat. You were looking good, my friend. Things were looking all right. Taylor wants me to take a look here at 46319. 46319. For Indiana, you, my friend, are in the general thunderstorm threat. No severe weather is expected for you. See, El Nino is strengthening. It sure is. That it really is. 6232 is not a zip code. Anyways. But yeah, let's see here. Kanan wants me to take a look here. Let's see here. At 38351. 38351 for Tennessee. 15% chance out there. Let's see here. Tornado threat, less than 2%. Damaging winds, 15% chance, and hail, 5% chance. So that is that, my friends. You are looking good. Main concern is obviously damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour being possible. But overall, that is that. All right. Well, guys, I tell you what. We've been live here for an hour. I was only planning on going live here for an hour today. I think we're going to call it a stream. I'm also getting a little winded from all these zip codes here, guys. Thank you all for joining us today. Like I said, we'll be doing the same thing tomorrow at noon to make sure that you guys are, prepared for this. Cinder wants me to take a look here at 356. See here, 35. He said 35763 for Alabama. Slight risk out there, my friend. 15% chance for damaging winds, 0% chance for hail, and 0% chance for tornadoes. That is that. But, okay, guys. Well, I think that is going to go ahead and wrap it up. If you guys have not already, y'all, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a like. Be greatly appreciated. Also, big thank you to all of our donators today. Like, seriously, it's crazy the amount of support we got today. Let's see, Courtney, thank you. Crystal, Pilot, Wolf, let's see, Proxy, obviously, huge support to Proxy. Monica, let's see, Midian, Purple, let's see here, Tori, Jay, Coffee as well for the membership. Thank you guys so much. Be greatly appreciated. Once again, please leave a like, hit that subscribe button if you've not already, and please, guys, share this live stream if you can. Be greatly appreciated. And like I said, if you guys do want to support what we do have a new Venmo if you guys would like to support us directly at NWW116. Like I said, that's if you just guys want to help out, with the program, stuff like that. Like I said, it'll be greatly appreciated. Like I said, the main thing though is subscribing, hitting that like button to help share the word to make sure that y'all are staying prepared. That's all that matters here. But once again, everybody, thank you all so much for joining, my friends. You guys have a wonderful rest of your night. We're going to go ahead and head over to the ending screen here. Like I said, just remain weather aware. Once again, turn your post notifications on. That way you guys can see whenever we do go live. Once again, I'll be live here tomorrow at noon to make sure that you guys are prepared for that. But okay, well, y'all, thank you so much once again for joining. The stream is now going to head off here in approximately 2 minutes. You guys take care. Have a wonderful rest of your night. Like I said, y'all be safe out there, and we'll catch you guys in the next one tomorrow at noon. All right, guys, thank y'all for joining. Thank you once again for the supporters, and we'll catch you guys later on. Love y'all. Stay safe out there. Peace out.